ChatGPT, how to get started with this amazing AI. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with OpenAI ChatGPT. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you are going to go to openai.com and you will land on this website right here. ChatGPT is provided by OpenAI. So once you get to the website, you will get this try option. So you're going to click on it and it will take you to chat.openai.com. The link will also be given in the description down below and it will directly take you right here. So signing up is really easy and it's completely free. So you're going to log in or sign up with your Google account. So we're going to click on sign up as a complete beginner. And here you have to enter your email address and set up a password, or what you can do is you can continue with your Google or Microsoft account. So I'm going to quickly continue with my Google. That will save me a lot of time. Here you're going to verify your phone number. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your country and have to enter your phone number. And then you will get a code you have to enter right here. So I'm going to actually get a code via WhatsApp. So I'm just going to click on here, enter my phone number, and then I will get the code. Once you enter your code, you will have your own account on ChatGPT. So it's really easy to do and literally takes 1 minute. Keep in mind, we can create 2 accounts per phone number. So you can actually use 2 accounts with the similar phone number that you have. And now you can just get started with ChatGPT and generate answers and get more productive. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.